Gotta make a quick run to Rose's, y'all. So I just made a little list of, I need to see a few little things from here. So I said I'll take y'all along with me. Good morning, how you doing? Good. Oh, that's cute. Little 4-tier bookshelf. I like these little spreads. They lightweight. That is so pretty. I love that yellow. Don't need no clothes, y'all. Definitely love looking at their pocketbooks. This is so cute. Little wallets. That's cute. That is so cute. Put your phone right here. I don't know if my phone will fit in there or not. That is cute. Gotta check out the Dollar Tree now, y'all. See if they got some macaroni and cheese in here, because they didn't have any of Rose's. Oh yeah, I don't know if she liked this kind. They got Italian, 5 cheese, and a smoked Gouda. So I'm gonna get both of these for $1.25. And I think that's all I need. All of here. I would like to see if they got my pens that I like to use in my notary business. So let's see if they got my pens. They got them right here. I like to see what the cleaning supplies they got, because everyone sells different cleaning supplies. So let me see what kind of cleaning supplies they got. Don't have much in here. I got the OxyClean. That's good for travel. An air freshener in here. Do y'all still use air freshener? I don't even buy air freshener like that no more. I used to. I don't no more. I always got to check out the utensils, the kitchen utensils, y'all. So let's see what new utensils they have at this location. I like these color spatulas. That's cute. They got, I think these Disney. No, this is Smurfs. Oh, that's cute. Smurfs spatula. I don't know what you could use this in, because this is plastic, it'll melt. These are more like sturdy, these right here. I do need some more forks. You get only 3 for $1.25. Guess they all the same. I guess they all the same. Oh, this is cute. Guess they're doing Mickey Mouse thing. These are cute. I like these. Now I need to go inside the Citi Trends, see what I can find. So they didn't have what I was looking for in there, so I'm gonna go down here to my little bin store. I haven't been down here in a while, so let me see if they got anything worth buying. The little bin store, y'all. So we'll see. Today is let me see, what's the day? Tuesday. $2 day. Let's see if they got anything. Haven't been here in a while, y'all. A whole bunch of calendars look like. You're a crafter. This would be a great place to go and get your crafts. You know, stuff you could use to make crafts and stuff, but I'm really not seeing too much that I just gotta have right now. And they got this wall right here with a whole bunch of stuff. And they got a truck of extra little fans and heaters. Need a heater for your house, a little ceiling fan, that's pretty. I like that. And a microwave. Look at that big microwave, y'all. Got a dishwasher, wow, portable one, that's neat. And they really got nothing in here. Today, $2 day. I'm pretty sure if you took your time and looked through this stuff, you might could find something you've been needing or can use, but I don't see anything that I really need. I got a swimming pool. Go ahead and get your pool for this summer. And a bicycle in here for $40 with on seat. She might order that online. I got a self-cleaning litter box. Okay. Got a bench sink. Oh, wow. Got a little desk in here. Oh, this stuff say 10. I don't know what that means. Just wanted to come in here and see what they had. I hadn't been in here in a while, so I just want to check it out, see. So, on to the house now. The little refrigerator's cute. Ain't cute. So, I'm on my way back home now. Don't need nothing at the beauty supply store. Look at Bow Wow when he was so young. Ain't he handsome? That was one cute little boy. Now he old as me. Got babies. I think his children about as old as my children. That's something, man. But yeah, I'm on my way back home now. Start cooking this chicken. She wanted macaroni and cheese. I'm hoping to goodness I got enough milk to make this macaroni and cheese with, because I'm not going back out to the store. And if you go to the convenience store, it's about pretty much the same as you would pay in the grocery store for milk. So, but yeah, I'm done. I done got my little walks in today, and I made it do what it do. So, I guess I'll tap in with y'all when I get back to the house. And I hope y'all got out today and enjoyed this cold, crisp air in February. And yeah, make it do what it do. So I just got back in the house. End up getting this type of macaroni and cheese. I got these little things of vegetable oil, because I don't think I had enough to fry the chicken, and I got this one. So check y'all Dollar Trees to see if they have these macaroni and cheeses. So I got these two and this oil here. So let's see. And I got me some pens I needed. These are pens I use in my notary business. So yeah. Let me show you what else I got. It's personal. Let's see here how dirty this oil is. That oil pretty good. I can use it again to fry this chicken. And hook it up. I always get this thing turned upside down. Got it on high 400. Got this chicken from Wayne Supermarket. It was only $9.07, so that's good. Pop a lid. I'm gonna do this one. Put a little bit of salt in it. Now I gotta season it. These are the two I use. I use garlic powder, onion powder, and I use probably. goodness. Flour all on the chicken. I'll put a little bit more flour in here. Just a little bit more flour. I drop a lot of chicken at the same time. So I'm going to babysit because I think that time when the heat of the night will come on. The freaking might already be on. And it's all in the heat of the night. So I know that grease is hot. Gonna drop this chicken. Oh yeah, baby. Got my macaroni over here cooking. Stir them noodles. Yeah, baby. Put the lid on it. Cut it down just a little bit. Just a little bit. I had some clothes in the dryer that did not get dry, so now I am taking them out the dryer. Wow. Taking them out the dryer. Found my eVIC card. Huh. Definitely gonna need that. It's always something to do, I tell you the truth. I gotta find me something to wear for my appointments today. I think I know. I like to wear this one sweater. So, gonna probably wear that sweater and my pants. My pants is a little thicker than normal. And that's it for me today, y'all. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until tomorrow, today has been a great day.